pushing this, and it just runs on the battery. The good thing is with the battery mower is you can use it, carry stuff, not really carry big stuff, but rather than I've got to come back for that mower, the fuel can, at least with this you can just pull that down, push in this, and it just runs on the battery without the blade running. So you're seeing what I'm seeing. I've never tried this cut on a bank side. This is very, very steep bank, and this is the Milwaukee. It's the M18 lawnmower. We're going to see how it copes on this bank, and it is long grass. The camera doesn't do the bank any justice, so we'll just I'll knock the speed down a bit and we'll have a go. It seems to be coping alright, it's just the slope that's difficult. There they go. The quality of cut's not the best because there's a lot of this grass is laid over. Yeah, so I'll put the camera down to the bottom, face it back up so you can see where I have been. The good thing with this mower is that with it being a battery mower, doesn't matter how steep the bank is, because it doesn't have engine oil in it, so there's no chance of the engine piston running dry. You just got to be able to stay on your feet. on the full charge, two 12 amp hour batteries from there on the bank to over there, and then this bit down here, you can see. Put it in perspective, it's probably about the size, put it all together, probably about the size of a tennis court. Bear in mind it was like that, long grass like that. Some places a couple of feet high and other places not so high. So we've got to do the full lot of this bank side, the lower half all the way along, right over to there, and then all of this around through these trees and then up there. So I'm not going to do it all with the battery lawnmower. It was just a test, just for my own sake, to see what it could actually do and how far it would go. So what I'll probably do is, obviously won't be getting it all done today, when I come back to do the banks, I'll do the banks with the battery mower because it can work on any angle, and then down here on the flat spots I'll do all this with a petrol mower. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Got clogged up a couple of times, that's just due to the bits of grass that have already been cut on this bank. It's like straw, long straw. That clogged it up a couple of times. Apart from that, I mean, it just cruises along, no problem at all, regardless of the length of the grass. It's got a 2-stage motor. You can have it running on full power, or it'll decide itself. I'll let it decide itself, and then when the grass isn't as thick, what it does is it drops the motor speed down that way, and then it'll save its batteries. So yeah, it does say it's a commercial mower, and I can see why. It certainly gets the job done. I mean, this isn't your average kind of mowing. I wouldn't bring a ride on here because you wouldn't be able to do the bank with a ride on. And then down in here, if you see the trees, I cut them trees down, and what I did notice when I was in here is there's lots of branches laid about in the grass. I wouldn't like to bring a ride on in if you got it, smash the deck off it or something. Or at least with a pedestrian mower you can see what's in front of you better. I'm going to push the mower because this site here is just all banks up and down, up and down. So that's another good handy thing with this battery mower.